All right, well, if we're going to find surface area, there is a process that we need to follow. So, there we go. To find surface area, first thing we need to do is draw a net. When we unfold a shape like this, that is our net. Then we need to be sure that we label all of our dimensions, as in write your measurements here. We find the area of each surface, every face of this three-dimensional figure. And then once we have all of the areas, we need to add all of the individual area measures. So let's do that. In this triangular pyramid, we're going to find the area of a triangle. Now, this is a special pyramid where all four faces here have the same measurements. So we really only have to find one of them. So that's a lucky bit there. So the area of our triangle, we always need to use our FSS. So F is our formula for area of a triangle, A equals 1/2 times base times height. So then we substitute our numbers that we're going to use. A equals 1/2 times, our base here is 6, and our height of the triangle is 4. So 1/2 of 6 is 3. 3 times 4 is 12. So our area of our triangle is 12. Once we know the area of our triangle, we can write our area in each shape. So we have this triangle is this, come on. This triangle is 12. This triangle has an area of 12. This triangle has an area of 12. And this triangle has an area of 12. So, check, write the areas in each shape. So we have 12 plus 12 plus 12 plus 12, or we could say 12 times 4. Either way we do that, we should come up with the same thing. It should be 48. Now, very important, is that area is always units squared. So, if in our triangle our units are inches, our answer is going to be inches squared.